The Honor Magic V5 has entered the foldable market not just as another competitor, but as a significant statement of intent, pushing the boundaries of engineering, especially in design and battery technology. It aims to refine the book-style foldable formula, addressing key pain points like thickness, weight, and battery anxiety, while still delivering flagship-level performance. Design and display. Honor's primary achievement with the Magic V5 is its astonishing design. At the time of its debut, it claimed the title of the world's thinnest inward-folding smartphone. When folded, it measures a remarkably slim 8.8 mm to 9.0 mm, depending on the finish, and when unfolded, it's an almost impossibly thin 4.1 mm. This, combined with a weight of around 217 to 222 grams, makes it feel less like a bulky foldable and more like a traditional flagship smartphone in the pocket. The build quality is robust, featuring a Super Steel Hinge rated for 500,000 folds and an impressive IP58/IP59 rating for dust and water resistance. The device boasts two exceptional LTPO AMOLED 120Hz displays. The external cover screen is a 6.43-inch panel with a 2376 by 1060 resolution, protected by anti-scratch nano crystal shield. It's a perfectly usable, conventional smartphone display. Unfolding the device reveals the main event, a sprawling 7.95-inch internal display with a 2172 by 2352 resolution. This screen is protected by Honor's Super Armored inner screen. Both displays are incredibly bright, with a claimed peak HDR brightness of 5000 nits, and support features like 4320 Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. The crease, a common concern with foldables, is exceptionally well managed. It's described as a deep but narrow crease, making it virtually invisible when viewed head-on. Camera. The Magic V5 is equipped with a powerful and versatile triple camera system that challenges the notion that foldables must compromise on photography. 64MP main, wide camera, featuring an f/1.6 aperture, OIS, and a Sony IMX906 sensor. This camera captures detailed 12.5MP bin photos with excellent, true-to-life colors and a wide dynamic range. 64MP periscope telephoto camera. This is a standout feature, offering 3x optical zoom, 70mm, with an f/2.5 aperture, OIS, and a high-resolution 1/2.0 sensor. It delivers generally pretty good 16MP bin shots and even usable 6x digital zoom. 50MP ultra-wide camera. With a 122 degrees field of view and autofocus, this lens is versatile, though some reviews note it can be softer on detail than the other two. For selfies, you get a 20MP camera on both the cover screen and the internal display. The system, which Honor calls the AI Falcon camera system, performs admirably. While low-light video from the telephoto lens can be dark, the main camera produces very impressive low-light stills with great detail and low noise. Software and performance. Running on Magic OS 9, based on Android 15, the Magic V5 is a performance beast. It's powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS 4.0 storage. In daily use, the phone is lightning fast, handling multitasking, gaming, and productivity without a hitch. Magic OS is well optimized for the foldable form factor, offering intuitive multi-window features like horizontal and vertical splits, as well as floating windows. A key feature is Magic Portal, which allows users to drag and drop text, images, and other content between apps in a split-screen view. Honor has also committed to an impressive 7 years of OS and security updates, rivaling industry leaders. Battery life. This is arguably the Magic V5's most revolutionary feature. Honor has incorporated a next-generation 5,820 mAh silicon carbon C/C battery. This technology allows for a higher energy density, meaning Honor could fit a much larger battery into the ultra-slim chassis than its competitors. The results are class-leading. The device delivers outstanding endurance, with a PCMark battery test score of nearly 17 hours and an active use score of over 12 hours. In real-world use, it comfortably lasts a full, heavy day and then some. When it does need a top-up, it supports 66-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, and 5-watt reverse wired charging, connectivity, and more. The Magic V5 is fully equipped with modern connectivity options. It supports 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0. It also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, an IR blaster, and NFC. The USB-C 3.1 port supports OTG and DisplayPort 1.2, adding to its productivity credentials. The device also supports the Honor Magic Pen stylus, making the large internal screen a powerful tool for note-taking and drawing.